everybody, it's Molly and Mackenzie. Our aprons are done! Yay! Little bows and everything.
I got a big bow.
Okay, yes, she's got a big bow. But we have all kinds of really cool pockets now to put all of our goodies in. No, I don't knit. But anyway, we did all kinds of really neat pockets. So, yes, it's not exactly like the pattern that's on the Sew4Home. We edited them to suit, yes, we modified them to suit us. Because the pattern was very specific for the fabrics that they used. And so we edited and did things the way we wanted it to suit us. So her pockets are different than my pockets. But you know what? That's the beauty of sewing. You get to do things to suit you and the way you want it. So if you have any questions about what we did, go ahead and post them, and I'll sit down over the weekend and get them answered. Mackenzie will answer. She's on there too, although she's going to be busy, but you know, we'll both get them answered. So we had fun doing this because it's her birthday, and we ate a lot of chips, and we went and had dinner. But Sew&Sew's Place, sewandsewsplace.com, and what else? 423-285-5959.
Or come see us.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Come see us. We'll be open again on Tuesday. And we have lots of fabrics in the store. These fabrics are here in the shop. And if there's anything else, you just let us know. We're here to help you out. And we hope y'all had fun watching our little videos. And we'll get them all posted and try to squish them all into the same place. So y'all have a great weekend, and we hope to see you soon. If not online, in the shop. Alrighty, bye y'all.
Bye.